100 years into a life after people. The elevated L train in the center of Chicago has been disintegrating for decades. In 1892, the first section of the elevated railroad, the second oldest in America, began moving passengers around by locomotive above parts of the old streetcar loop that surrounded the city center. Now, paint is peeling off the steel girders holding up the platform, and rust is eating away at the exposed iron and steel. Bolts and rivets erode and crack, causing some of the supporting beams to fracture.
As pieces start to fall, you would get distortion in the supporting members, and they would start to twist and fall and pull down other nearby members. So you start to have a domino effect as it starts to twist and fall, hitting the ground.